Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to click on in-depth review about this AI website called Multiplier. Multiplier is a platform. Think of it as a tool. It helps you manage your team. Even if they live in different countries, you can pay them, handle their tax. You can even do all from one place. And this product makes it easier to work with people worldwide. You can hire anyone, no matter where they are. This helps you find and lead new team member. It also helps you work with partners. This platform makes things simple. You can focus on your customers, not a paperwork. Now, talking about the best features about this platform, it comes with a wide range of features which can make your work easier. So Multiplier comes with a cool tools. These tools make your global team management easy. So talking about this, unlisted key features, comes with a very fast employees hiring, which is part of the best features. A direct platform integration, which is part of the best features compared to other platform, and they also come with a managed global payroll. It also help you make a payroll without a stoppage, together with an expense management and an all-in-one HR solution. Now, talking about the pricing plan, they have different pricing plan. They have an employee of record plan. They also have a contractor plan. They also have a global payroll plan, and also have an immigration plan together with multiplier pricing plan. So that's it. You can also get back to the platform to check which one the plan works perfectly for you, and check out the key features which is listed in each of the plans. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thanks.